Hi everyone, it's that exciting time when you get to pack for your next trip, your next adventure. You rummage through your clothes, you're not sure what to pack, and you just want to make sure that you're gonna make out of this holiday the best holiday you've ever been on. I find it very interesting how we allocate so much time and effort and energy into planning our outfits and packing the right outfit for a holiday, when the whole point of a holiday is to relax, recharge, disconnect from the daily stresses of life, and just be yourself and have a good time. And planning your clothes, as much as it helps and it gives you a better feeling when you're actually in there in your favorite outfits, it's very counterintuitive to the whole point of a vacation. I do have to start this video by saying that over the years, packing has been very easy for me. I am not an overpacker. I'm usually pretty good at planning my outfits and making sure that I wear all the clothes that I take with me on vacation. And actually, this trip is gonna be a first for me because I've never had a carry-on trolley before. And when I say that, most people are like, oh, you've only had like hold baggage. And I'm like, no, I've actually never had hold baggage apart from when I moved to the UK. But usually the only thing that I have is a backpack, and it's usually not a very like big backpack, not the type of like traveling backpacking through Asia, not that type of backpack, but just like a regular school backpack that I used to fill up to the brim, but it will have all the essentials that I would need. But this time I have the luxury of sharing a trolley carry-on with my partner, so we can take with us a lot more things. Before I show you exactly what I'm gonna pack with me, I also have a few tips and tricks that I gained through my experience over the years that I want to share with you. Number one, and I think the most important one, is to plan your outfits. Don't take any more than you need. If you're gonna stay there for 7 days, maybe take 8 outfits, but don't take 11 or 12. There's no point. You're never gonna have enough time to wear all these clothes. And yes, maybe some days you're gonna be changing your outfits in the evenings, but take that into account and try to plan interchangeable clothes that you can mix and match so that you don't have to plan and take with you a different outfit for every different occasion. Number two, don't take bulky things with you on the airplane. Wear them. If you're going to have to bring a jacket, for example, wear it on yourself on the airport or on the flight. Don't pack it in your bag, because that's going to take up a lot of space. Same with shoes. If you're going to have a pair of sneakers and a pair of sandals, wear the sneakers, not the sandals, because sandals are going to be so much easier to pack than sneakers. Number three, since we're talking about sneakers, a good thing I used to do with sneakers, especially when I had limited space, was to just fill them with either socks or underwear, because they're tiny and they fit in like all the little places inside a shoe. And if you have boots, you might be able to fit like a light t-shirt or your PJ, or just make sure you're not leaving any space unused and you're filling everything to the top. Number four, this is something that has helped me throughout the years when my baggage was a little bit above the size limit of the actual carry-on. And what I used to do is I would buy something from duty free and I would take things out of my luggage, my carry-on, and put it in the duty free bag at the bottom of the bag. Never ever have I been searched for what's in my duty-free bag, but there have been occasions when people told me that my actual carry-on is a little bit too bulky. So what I'm doing now is I just buy something small from duty-free and then I just put out all the things that are in my luggage in the bag that I got from duty-free. Number five, toiletries. Don't take unnecessary toiletries with you. Most places you go will have some sort of supermarket or hypermarket or mini market. So instead of getting like lotion, shampoo and conditioner, sun protection and all of that, just buy them when you get there. That's what we're gonna do on this trip as well. Instead of getting that all here and having like 3 extra kilograms of product, or even less, but still a chunky amount of things in your suitcase or carry-on baggage, you might as well just buy them when you get there. And you're gonna be there for a week. You're not gonna ruin your hair or your routine by using something new. And if you do, yeah, for all means, keep on bringing your own stuff. But if you really want to maximize your space, buy them when you get there. Pack a laundry bag. It can be a simple like normal supermarket bag even, or I like to pack my gym bag that's also a little bit waterproof. And what I do with this is I make sure that all my, especially my dirty underwear and socks go in there so that they don't get mixed up with my clean clothes, and especially because we're not gonna be staying in the same place for the entire time. We're gonna be living almost every day to a different location. I need to make sure that I know which clothes are dirty and I know which clothes are clean so that I can pack accordingly every time I unpack my bag. Number 7, roll your clothes. I have never ever folded my clothes when I went away with a carry-on. I have always rolled them and rolled them quite tightly because you can just fit so much more. It's life-changing. Number 8, limit your electronics. I am not the type to carry with me like curlers or hair straighteners or hair dryers or stuff like that. First of all, you're on holiday. It's supposed to be a laid-back time for you where you just feel good in your own skin, you relax, and you have a good time. And for me, spending an entire morning curling my hair or getting worried when it's straightened that it's gonna get frizzy, it just doesn't work with the type of holiday that I have in mind. So I don't pack any type of electronics. And I suggest if you want to maximize on space, you don't also. I can assure you, you're gonna have a good time with curly hair, with straight hair, whatever type of hair you naturally have. You can have a good time without styling it for a week. Number 9, take a smaller sort of bum bag with you that you can put all your most important travel documents and lip balms and stuff like that. And you don't have to open your backpack or your trolley every time you need to take something out of it. That way you can plan your pack and pack your stuff and then never open it until you actually get there. Number 10, we know that there are some things that you have to take out at the airport at the security, such as liquid or electronics. What I do and what I suggest you do as well is to make sure that they're packed at the end of your packing. So at the top of the trolley or the backpack, they're easily accessible. You can just open it slightly, take them out, put them on the security tray, and then put them back. Because if you're gonna have to rummage through your entire backpack to find your liquids, because they're at the bottom because you put them there first, it's gonna take a lot of energy for you to then try to put them back up and fit everything the same way it was originally. So make it easier on yourself and just put everything at the top that has to be removed at the airport. And these are sort of my 10 most important tips when it comes to packing and packing minimally. And now I'll show you quickly what I'll be taking with me to Croatia. Is everything that I'm going to pack with me. And it might not look like much because it actually isn't like a lot, but it's very important because everything kind of goes together. And then I have a bunch of dresses because I love wearing dresses when I'm going on holiday. But let's take each pile on its own. First of all, we have the bathing suits. So I'm taking 4 with me, which is kind of excessive for me, especially because it might rain and I might not get to wear them all, but it's a beach holiday, so I'm gonna take my favorite bikinis and stuff. I have this one, then I have this sunflower one, then I've got this beautiful one that's sort of like a high one, and then this top, and then this swimsuit that is just lovely. And that's it in terms of swimsuits. Then I have my PJ, which is basically just shorts and then a t-shirt and a tank top, and that's it. Then I have 1 pair of jeans, like shorts. Then here is all of my underwear and bras and stuff like that. I have 3 tops. I have this crop top, then I have this one, and then I have another sort of lacy one. And then I have lots of dresses. And in terms of dresses, I'll be having, let's see how many I have. 1. Oh, sorry. I also have another pair of pants. These like flowy green pants as well. So that goes in there. But then I have that 1 dress, 2 dresses, 3 dresses, 4 dresses, 5 dresses, 6 dresses, and this is a swimsuit cover-up, so it's not technically a dress. But that's it really. And then I obviously have the fit that I'm gonna be taking with me to the airport, which is this, which is just some linen pants, a crop top, and this hoodie on top. And I'm thinking I might get another hoodie as well, this one, just because it's quite chilly, so I'd rather be prepared and have 2 hoodies on me. Or maybe I'm not gonna take the hoodie and I'm gonna take a jacket, we'll see. But this is everything that I'll be taking. I also have this bum bag with like passports and stuff inside. I'll have a hat and a nice sort of, what even is this, hair tie thingy. And these are all of my accessories that I'll be keeping in here, which are basically like a few clips, earrings, necklaces, rings, stuff like that. I have a book and my sunglasses, very important. I've chosen this as my holiday read. Why has nobody told me this before? By Dr. Julie Smith. It's just a self-help book, so it's gonna be super fun to read it on holiday. And then these are my other like bits. I have water shoes because the beaches in Croatia are supposedly very pebbly. Then I have 2 pairs of slippers, but I might only be taking these ones just because 2 seems a little bit excessive. Then I have money, and I always recommend that you change some cash in the local currency and you don't do it there because airport exchange rates are usually very, very high. And I much prefer to do it. I always do it at Tesco's. And you can also, when you come back, if you still have some money left, you can give it back to them and they'll offer you a great exchange rate. Then I have my toiletries bag, which is quite minimum. My sunglasses case here. I have some wipes, just for when I take off my makeup. Our toothbrushes. This is where I'll put like makeup brushes and like any extras, like stuff. These are super important when going on a beach holiday. They're waterproof cases for our phones. And then this is the adapter for Croatia plugs. And that's it really. Oh no, I have one last thing that I haven't shown you, which is this. It's a beach bag. Well, now that it's raining, I don't know how much we would be using it, but the plan was that we would go to the beach every morning. We'll see about that. But that's everything really. I don't think it's excessive. It's not a lot, but it's plenty for the entire time that we're gonna be there. I'm not gonna have to struggle with like mixing and matching. I'm gonna have plenty of options. I have plenty of dresses. And I know that I said you should mix and match, and that means tops and pants. But for me, dresses are lovely to wear on vacation, and I've missed wearing them. I don't think I got to wear them all this summer in the UK just because of the weather. So I want to take advantage of that and make sure that I wear them on vacation. And now let's pack everything. So here is our trolley that I'm gonna share with my partner. It's not big. We spent £15 on it from Primark. And then we will also be having this backpack and this bag. So this is our luggage for 8 days in Croatia. So let's pack everything. I'm also gonna pack my boyfriend's clothes, which are basically all of these. And I'll see you how much I managed to fit in the luggage. I'm hoping I'm gonna fit most of the clothes in the actual trolley so that I can fit everything else, like accessories and stuff, in the bags. But let's do it.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that
And that's the final look. So basically, we filled this trolley, and then my boyfriend's backpack is half empty. Like I haven't even rolled stuff inside his backpack. And then in mine, I've put like all the underwear and the extra hoodie and the shoes, and it's not like full. Like I've never had such like empty extra bags. And the first time with the trolley, I have to say everything fits in there. Like me and my partner, 80% of our clothes are in the trolley, so we should be good to go. And yeah, I'm not gonna put on the toiletries and stuff yet, just because we still have 2 days to go, so I'm still gonna use them. But that's everything we packed. and everything fit perfectly. And that being said, that is gonna be the end of the video. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this. If you're watching this because you're also going away on holiday and just want to pack with someone, have a wonderful time and enjoy your time wherever you're going. Watch out for Croatia vlogs because they're coming as well. And watch my other sort of preparation, holiday preparation videos as well if you're into it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!